Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to work through an example of sample of problem number 5 for our homework number 1. All right, it says 1 cubic centimeter of mercury has a mass of 0.014 kilograms at 25 degrees Celsius. Find the mass of 1.3 cubic meters of mercury. And to answer in kilograms. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down what we're given. We're given 1.3 cubic meters of mercury. And we are, we are asked to convert that. What we're going to do is we're going to go from, because we're given a conversion factor that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 0.014 kilograms of mercury. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go from cubic meters into cubic centimeters so that then we can go into kilograms. So that's going to be our basic plan. And I'm starting with 1.3 cubic meters of mercury. And I need to say to myself, how many cubic centimeters is equal to 1 cubic meter of mercury? And in order to know that, I have to say to myself, well, one meter is equal to 100 centimeters. But then what I need to do is, since I need a cubic meter, I need to cube both sides of this equation. And when I cube 1 cubic meter, or when I cube 1 meter, I'll get 1, because 1 cubed is still 1, and meter cubed is meter cubed. So 1 cubic meter is equal to 100 cubed, which is actually equal to 1 million. And so 1 cubic meter would be like having 1 million little sugar cubes stacked up into a great big cube, and that would be a lot. So 1 million cubic centimeters is going to be my conversion factor, and that is actually 10 to the 6th, but I'll just write out 1 million. So at that point, my cubic meters will cancel out, and the mercury also, and then I'll be left with 1.3 times 1 million, and that will be, of course, 1.3 million. And then I'll take that and multiply by 1 centimeter cubed of mercury being equal to 0.014 kilograms of mercury. And so again, centimeters will cancel. I have nothing but ones on the bottom, so I'll multiply those 3 across, and that will be my answer. Of course, you will not have 1.3, you will have a different number. Just make sure that you understand how to set up the dimensional analysis grid in order to work that. All right, and that's problem number 5. Hope that was helpful. Thanks.